Hey everybody, so I'm going to show you how to install Epic Cam. So I've gone to the website, the Canoni.com website. I downloaded the Epic Cam installer for my Windows computer. Now I'm installing this on my school laptop. So you may have this pop up when you go to install it. It might pop up here and say that it wants permissions to make changes to your device. In that case, it's not asking for your login and password. It's asking for the login and password for an administrative account, which you would need to use our install account. So contact either of your ITSs or your TST, and we'll help you out with what the password is for that. Now, put that in. If it pops up and it does have your name here, just scroll down to the bottom of this dialog box. Mine doesn't ask me for it, but down at the bottom there's a link that says change user or other user, and you can just click on that and you can put in the install account credentials. All right, so there is one slight problem with this. Many of our laptops weren't configured at school with the install account signed in as a user on the computer. So that means that the profile, the HSL install or whatever your school's install profile is, isn't going to work at home. You can tell by, if you go here to, in File Manager, go to your C drive and then go to Users. In here, I have listed this HSL install. That's our school install account. If you're at a different school, it'll have your first three letters will be different on that. But the install account, since this profile is on my computer knows the last login password that I used to sign in to the install account, which means that I can install apps on my computer. Now, if you don't have an install account credentials listed on your computer, all is not lost. There's a simple fix for it. What you need to do is you need to take your laptop, go to any VBCPS network location. It can be an admin building. It can be a school. It doesn't have to be Salem. It doesn't have to be your own school. It can be any school where you can log in. We are closed for COVID-19, so you can't go in, but you can cozy up to the windows there. Get near a window, and you should be able to sign in to your laptop. Now, don't sign in as you. Sign in with your install credentials. So make sure you check with your TST or your ITS before you go to make sure that it's all up and running and everything will work for you when you get there. Sign in as the install account. It will get to your desktop. Once it gets completely to your desktop, then you're signed in. You can go ahead and sign out of that and you're good to go. While you're there, you might want to, just for good measure, sign into your own account there. If it's time for you to change your password, you might want to do that while you're there as well. But make sure that that you get those things done. Our passwords, remember, are going to expire every 90 days. I know we're only 30 days into lockdown, but some of you guys didn't change your passwords before you left. So make sure you get that taken care of. All right. So once you've got that install password on here and you've got that profile set up, you're good to go. You can go home. You'll be able to install the Epic Cam drivers. You'll be able to install printer drivers if you're having trouble getting printer drivers installed on your computer, webcam, document cams, other applications, whatever else you need installed on your computer that are asking for those install credentials. You'll now be able to do that.